Are you considering building your next website on WordPress? This video will be a great watch for you because it's going to give you the advantages and disadvantages of using WordPress. So what are the advantages of having a WordPress website? Well, budget's going to be number one. They are very cheap to develop and deliver. You can buy themes or templates which accelerate the speed at which you can build a website for your customers. They're cheap, they're well supported. You can buy themes at a very inexpensive price. You have a huge market of developers to choose from. The disadvantages of using WordPress is that 26% of the internet is now based on WordPress. So it's an enormous playground for hackers. They enjoy hacking WordPress websites, so they will find a template or a theme that has been hacked in the past or a plugin, and they will look for websites that are using them. And once they've found a vulnerability, they get enjoyment out of hacking in, looking at your data, changing your content. Now imagine your content has changed over the weekend, maybe replaced with illegal content, and you send a new prospect to your website hoping to engage them with a new project or win some business, and they see illegal content. It wouldn't be a great look. You're more than likely going to lose the next deal. The disadvantage of using themes is they can be very slow. Some themes can load in 4 or 5 seconds. Now Google is saying that any website that takes longer than 3 seconds to load is going to be losing 50% of traffic. Now imagine 2 people come to your shop front or they come to your office or knock on the door and you are a little bit slow to open the door. In the real world, if you take 30 seconds to open the door, I'm sure that's fine. But if you took 5 minutes, 10 minutes or an hour to open the door, one of those people are not going to hang around. They're going to go somewhere else and shop somewhere else. Now online, the magic number is 3 seconds. If your website takes longer than 3 seconds to load, they're going to do exactly that. They're going to bounce from your website and go to your competition. Site speed is one of the major key ranking factors for Google search engine results pages. Look at the disadvantages of having a WordPress website. There isn't really a disadvantage of using WordPress. There's a disadvantage of using inexperienced coders to work on your WordPress, and that artificially deflates the price you might be paying for the product in the first place. So when you're paying cheaper prices for inexperienced developers, that might well come back to bite you in the future. I've been John Pankhurst, the Morning Marketing Man. If you found the value in this video useful that you can take back to your business and add some value, please like or share on Facebook. If you're watching on YouTube, please click the subscribe button because every new subscriber I get really encourages me to add more valuable content back to the community. If you're watching on LinkedIn, please click the like button because it will share it with your network. Have a great day.